Hello explorers. Artificial intelligence. AI is changing the world faster than ever, but is it coming for your job? Today, we're breaking down what AI can replace, what's still safe, and how the workforce is adapting to this high-tech revolution. AI is already replacing jobs in many industries. In factories, robots handle production lines. In stores, self-checkout machines replace cashiers. Call centers now use chatbots for customer service. Even truck drivers may soon be replaced by self-driving vehicles. But automation isn't stopping there. AI is now writing articles, designing graphics, and even composing music. Algorithms can scan medical images, assist in legal research, and predict financial trends. The job market is changing rapidly, and workers must adapt. Even creative fields aren't untouched. AI-generated art, music, and video editing software are making tasks easier. But can they truly replace human imagination? Some argue that AI lacks the emotional depth and personal experiences that define true creativity. However, businesses are already using AI-generated content in advertising, media, and film production. What about healthcare? AI can diagnose diseases, analyze X-rays, and assist in surgeries. But human doctors and nurses provide the empathy and decision-making that machines can't replicate. AI may enhance the medical field, but it won't replace the need for human touch and intuition. Education is another area where AI is making an impact. Smart tutors, automated grading, and AI-driven lesson plans are changing how we learn. But can AI replace teachers? Many believe that education requires emotional connection, adaptability, and mentorship, things AI still struggles to provide. AI is also transforming finance, transportation, and customer service. Robo-advisors manage investments, autonomous delivery drones handle logistics, and virtual assistants streamline office tasks. The need for human oversight remains, but automation is progressing rapidly. Despite these advancements, some jobs remain difficult for AI to replace. Therapists, social workers, emergency responders, and skilled trades like electricians require human judgment, creativity, and emotional intelligence. While AI can assist, it can't fully replicate human adaptability. So, what does the future look like? Experts suggest that instead of competing with AI, we should learn to work alongside it. Jobs won't disappear entirely, but they will evolve. Understanding AI tools and developing unique human skills will be key to thriving in the workforce. This shift won't be easy. Some industries will need to rethink their workforce, provide retraining programs, and create roles that combine human expertise with AI capabilities. The key to success in an AI-driven world will be adaptability, critical thinking, and continuous learning. So, are we ready for a world shaped by AI? Will automation improve our lives or take away too many jobs? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the future of technology. Let's keep exploring together.